Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And today we are going to be showing you what the beginner guide for City Skylines Remastered. So first thing you want to do is click next on your city map. Then you want 25 tiles unlockable. And for this video I'm not going to do those top two. Let's press start. Then it'll say BIOS warning. Just click yes. So once that is done, just wait a second. It will be done in a second. Okay, let me move my computer. Gotta get our chips. Anyways, when you just start a town, pause it, okay? Then you really want to make a small road. Firstly, you want to make it like, since you have $70,000, I would wait till you have like $1,000 on here where it says $1,000. Do that for both of them. And then right here, you're going to connect it. So once that is done, you are going to go to the roads again, then get 2-lane gravel. So first thing you want to do is go up to 320. And then when it says 200, once it says that, you're going to do that. And then connect it back. Do that for the exact same side, $200, then down. Do that for both sides too. It doesn't have to be the perfect, but the 200 needs to be perfect. Okay? So you see the 200, click that, then go down. And then for the next thing you want to do is go back to the 2-lane road. And then you see this plot right here. You're gonna do that. And then do that for the other side too. You know why we're doing that? Now we need is the coal power plant. You really want it far away from the homes that we're gonna be. But if there's gonna be, you see the little circle right there? You don't want that homes to be in that circle. So first thing you want to do is build another gravel road. And then you're going to make it like 340, then just 120. Okay? So once that is done, you're going to place it right there. So once that's done, you're going to do the water. Okay? The water is kind of hard. So you need that right there. Okay? The other one way on the other side. So once that is done, you are going to connect it, which might cost a lot of money. That costed $400,000. That cost 20. So once you're done with that, you probably want to add a water tower, like anywhere, and then you're gonna connect it, isn't it? Connected. So all you gotta do now is zone stuff. The blue stuff, hold Y, then select. The blue stuff should go like this, okay? Right in the middle. That's how it's supposed to be. Okay.
The principal said, asking if it was okay, and the principal said it was okay if we did it track.
Jack, I'm recording. And once you're done with that, you want to go over to the other one with the yellow. Put it all the way over here, all the way over to the other side, okay? Then the green stuff, which which is the homes. Probably want to right there. Yeah. Ow! Anyways, once you're done zoning the stuff in, you will have to place the water tower with the coal power plant. Then unpause it. And all you gotta do is change the economy budget to 60%. That's my recommendation. Power, 60% for now. And that 60%. Even nighttime, you need it. Oop. I just fixed that right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3. Oop. There we go. So after a little bit, people start building houses. You might want to speed up this process. You are losing money, but you will get. So once that is done, and the jacks stop humming. And once that is done, and it looks that, all you gotta do now is just wait for the homes to get into place. So then, after a while, you should be getting some money. Some houses will look like fancy than others. So, 5 people are unhappy. Just wait, okay? When there's more people, they're gonna be more happy. See, everyone's residents are happy. So they want blue down in the corner. So you gotta place more roads, okay? 2-lane roads. Then you wanna place it right. Delete these. Yes, finally. So once you're making a road down the middle, you can do the exact same thing you did with the other one. You probably want to turn it because it's kind of hard. There. So once that is done, place a gravel road like that. Wait, I did it wrong because it has to be 200. Like that, then down. Do that for the other side, but people might. Sorry guys, just hate do it. So you're now gonna place the water where you want it to go. Like right here, right there, and right there. So then you want the power, I think is good now. But now you want to zone it. I would place green right around here. Okay? And they want some blue, so we gotta make more. Including here, so. So the main game is just waiting and waiting, okay? That is the main game. they probably haven't expected. Alright, people. There you go, guys. There's more jobs. There's jobs, man. There has to be jobs. So you see there's already 182 people living in my city. And if you go to your city info, most of them are adults. And if you go to the milestones, you need 420 people. If you want to go to economy and change stuff, you can. If you need to only. You can do transport, which you need more stuff. So that's how you get more people, like the beginner tutorial. So hope you guys have a great day, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.